The steering assist fault message in your Ford F-150 indicates a problem within the electric power assisted steering system, also known as EPAS. This system relies on several key components working together to provide variable steering assistance based on your driving conditions. The main components include the steering column control module, which acts as the brain of the system, the electric motor assembly that provides steering assistance, the torque sensor that measures your input force, and the steering angle sensor that monitors wheel position. The steering assist fault can stem from various factors, including software glitches, sensor malfunctions, or environmental factors like extreme temperatures and road salt exposure. Ford has issued recent technical service bulletins addressing these issues with enhanced diagnostic procedures, software calibration updates, and improved component specifications. Dealerships now use advanced tools like the Ford Integrated Diagnostic System for real-time monitoring. Common fault codes associated with this issue include B342 for steering angle sensor problems, B1343 for torque sensor faults, C1277 for communication errors, U0415 for ABS module data issues, and P0607 for control module performance problems. Addressing this fault promptly is crucial to prevent system damage and maintain vehicle safety. Ignoring the warning can lead to complete steering assist failure. Ford F-150 steering assist fault troubleshooting follows a systematic three-phase approach. Each phase builds upon the previous one to ensure accurate diagnosis and effective repair. Phase 1 begins with initial assessment. First, verify the customer's reported symptoms and check for active fault codes using Ford diagnostic tools. Review the vehicle's repair history for previous steering-related work. Then inspect physical components for obvious damage or wear. Phase 2 involves advanced diagnostics. Perform steering angle sensor calibration tests and monitor torque sensor output during steering input. Verify communication between the steering column control module and other vehicle systems, then test system response under various driving conditions. Phase 3 implements the resolution. Apply appropriate software updates first, as 82% of issues are resolved through calibration. Replace faulty components as identified, perform complete system recalibration, and conduct thorough road test verification to ensure proper operation. Prevention is key to avoiding steering assist faults. Schedule steering system inspections every 30,000 miles and keep software updates current through dealer service. Protect your vehicle from excessive moisture and road salt exposure and address warning messages promptly to prevent system damage. According to Automotive Service Excellence Master Technicians, 85% of steering assist faults in Ford F-150s are software-related and can be resolved through proper calibration procedures. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to issues ensure reliable steering system operation.